The M&H Armitage Anvil, a fine piece of blacksmithing equipment that would be welcome in any shop. Made from wrought iron and forged overseas, this giant chunk of metal is also a little chunk of history. Though with this example it's difficult to read, we have the information that it contains. On the side it says M&H Armitage, Mousehole, Sheffield, and 107. This inscription tells us a number of things. Firstly, because the inscription says M&H Armitage, we know that this anvil was made between 1820 and 1835. That's potentially 200 years old. Secondly, we have Sheffield, which was where the forge that produced this anvil was located, in Sheffield, England. Finally, the 107, which indicates the weight of the anvil. This is not 107 pounds, however it is 107 CWT, the old way of measuring industrial products like this. It is equivalent to approximately 125 pounds, so watch your toes. The Mousehole anvil was made in Sheffield, England, at the Mousehole Forge, which was one of the first and longest running anvil factories in the world. It ran from 1632 to 1933. That's 301 years of operation, though it is now falling, unfortunately, into disrepair. The forge is now an archaeological site, with the massive log hammer, the forge buildings, and the dam that provided water power to said water hammer remaining largely untouched. Currently there are works to build structures specifically designed to protect this historical site, though they are currently in the planning stages, with technologies such as 3D laser mapping being employed to make the least intrusive protective structures possible. It is unfortunately rare nowadays to see such a beautiful specimen intact, as when welding and machining came to power, blacksmiths lost a large portion of their usefulness. Because of this, a large number of anvils became nothing more than paperweights. Such was the case with this anvil, whose previous owners stated that it was, quote, nothing more than a paperweight to them. Luckily, as time is going on, blacksmithing is coming back, but as a hobby. Because of this, these lovely pieces are being saved, as well as their associated tools. And so, this history is not lost.